Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. And I'm explaining right now the Real ID driver's licenses. What is that and how does this change the driver's license process for people? All right. So starting in October of 2020, what the law is going to be requiring to obtain a federally compliant driver's license, they're going to be requiring more things than they've used to in the past, all right? The regulations are getting stricter. The standard is getting higher. So to qualify for that, you've got to show basically 4 types of documents. First, you've got to show identity documents, and by that I mean like an unexpired, valid, either U.S. passport or immigration document, green card, work permit, things like that, that has your ID, full legal name, right there on it. I think it requires your date of birth also, right there on it, all right? The second thing is, if your legal name has changed at all, you've got to prove your legal name change, all right? Whether that's on your marriage license, if you got married and changed your name, or if you've changed your name in some other way. So be cautious about how your legal name shows up on your legal documents, all right? The third thing that's required is proof of your social security number. And the best way to do that is just show your social security card, all right? And then the very fourth thing is proof of your current residency in whatever state you live in. So if you're here in the state of California, what they're requiring is 2 documents showing that you reside, your legal name with your address here in the state of California, all right? So those are the requirements of what documents you would need to get the Real ID. And now the question is like, do you really need to do that? And do you really need to go through that process? And well, it depends. First, it depends on whether or not you want to drive or not. Second, it depends on whether or not you want to drive outside the state that you're living in. If you want to drive in other states, you're going to need a federally compliant driver's license. Third, like, do you want to use your driver's license to get on an airplane? Because if you want to use your driver's license to get on an airplane, you need a Real ID driver's license. And fourth, if you want to enter federal buildings or military bases ever, you need a federally compliant ID or a federally compliant driver's license, all right? If you don't want those things, all right, if you just want to drive in the state of California, and if you don't have all those documents, you might be able to qualify for an AB60 driver's license, and we'll talk about that in a different video, all right? Thank you very much for watching. I know the Real ID can be a little bit confusing. It's why I've written a guide here for immigrants who are looking to obtain a lawful driver's license in the United States. If that's you, please click on the link below, download your free copy of this guide so that you can see for yourself exactly what documents are required and when does it make sense for an immigrant to apply for a Real ID driver's license. Thank you so much for being with me. If this was helpful, please like and please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Again, I'm Otis Landerholm, founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.